सो कभी आपने सोचा है ये आपका डेटाबेस कैसे वर्क करता है? कभी आपने सोचा है ये जो बड़ी बड़ी वेबसाइट होती हैं ये कितनी जल्दी लोड हो जाती है, ठीक है, विद द डेटा? ओके, सो हियर वी हैव कैश concept that you might be already knowing about that, but we have Redis also for implementing that cache. Okay, so Redis क्या है, आइए देखते हैं. Redis is an in-memory database for caching and message blocking. Okay, and it is an open source. Basically anyone can use this. Known for its speed, often real-time application, store data in memory instead of on disk for faster access. मतलब ये क्या करता है, ये डेटा को इन मेमोरी में स्टोर करता है, डिस्क पे स्टोर नहीं करता है, क्योंकि इससे क्या होता है, इसका एक्सेस फास्टर हो जाता है. ठीक है. सपोर्ट्स मल्टीपल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. इट सपोर्ट्स मल्टीपल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर लाइक स्ट्रिंग, हैश सेट, सेट्स, सॉर्टेड सेट, टाइम सीरीज, स्ट्रीम. ओके. built-in replication for better data distribution. It has built-in replication feature for better data distribution. Means you can have configuration like master slave or read write replication. Okay, we can have multiple nodes, we can have multiple read node, we can have master, we can have write node. Okay, so all these you can maintain here. Can be extended with plugin modules. We can extend it with plugin modules basically. What is plugin module? Means suppose you want some search feature, Redis search, you can load that module. You can load Redis JSON, you can load Redis stack, right? All these are modules that you can use. Caching for faster data retrieval. Okay, it used for faster data retrieval. Message blocking for real-time communication. Suppose you want some pubsub things, pubsub kind of application, then you can use Redis as well for message blocking. Okay, it is a lightweight for application that don't require full relational database feature. Suppose you are going to make a small application that don't require a traditional database, then you can use Redis instead of that, and it will make your application more faster. Okay, so application needing real-time data access. If your application wants frequent data access, suppose you are retrieving some frequent data like some sort of price detail of any trade, right? So frequently access data you can maintain, like real-time data access you can maintain in this. Used by major transport and delivery companies. Connect user with the driver. Companies using Redis include like Twitter, Airbnb, Tinder, Yahoo, and many more. It's built in Lua scripting multiple levels on disk persistence. Means you can configure disk persistence also, like if you want some snapshot in between some interval, then you can have that configuration as well. Okay, so here is the workflow, basic workflow. We have a main server, and that means we have a client request some data which is cache data. So client can request the data to the server will request the data to the Redis server. Okay, and Redis server will return with the response immediately, because that Redis server also being hosted in the same server. Okay, but in case of traditional data source, the database server will be residing in some another node, so there will be some gap or some latency while fetching the data from the database server, but not in case of Redis. So that's why Redis is more faster. We can use multiple data structures in Redis like string, list, sorted sets, and sets, hash, key value pair. Okay, you can have multiple things. I'll create more video on this for further implementation and uses for Redis.